actually about to head out the door right now. I haven't vlogged much today because I've literally just been sitting around studying, trying to upload my video and just a bunch of that kind of stuff. So actually right now I'm about to head to my exam. I have an exam today. I only have one, so it won't take me that long. And when I get back, I think what we're going to do is a Christmas wish list because I like watching those, and I think it's just like really helpful if you have somebody around, you know, my age or have the same interests as me. I like watching them, so why not make them? So that's what we're going to do today. Right now, like I said, I'm about to head out, and I guess I'll talk to you guys whenever we're going to make the wish list. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys then. My face is as red as my shirt. Okay, so, oh, that's not even on. I love that. Okay, I know this looks like a more professional sit-down kind of video, but I really just like being near my tree, and I feel like it's more Christmassy, you know? Also, it's dark outside, so that's why I have my lights, because I feel like it's annoying to have like orange lights when you could have white ones. Basically, I'm doing my Christmas list today. My hair always looks so bad in here. Okay, so I figured it would be a good idea for me to do my Christmas wish list because I know there are a lot of people who are wondering what to get people for Christmas, and I like watching these videos. Disclaimer, I obviously do not expect to get any of these things, especially not all of them. These are just some ideas, so before you get all, you know, your panties in a wad, just know that this is just things that I like. I know that Christmas is not about the presents. I know it's about spending time with your family and the birth of Jesus, but this is just gift ideas. Like, take this very lightly, okay? So, I'm gonna do this into categories because that just makes it easier for me and it makes it easier for everyone. Again? Hiccups again. No, that's not. Yeah, I have like a list of makeup, skincare, tech, and clothes, and that's how this is going to be like divided up. So let's get into that. Starting off with makeup, I, really enjoy makeup. I love doing makeup, I love experimenting with it, and I love trying new products. So a couple of things that I want. I have a lot of the Real Technique sponges, and I really like them, but I want to see like what's the hype over the Beauty Blender. I honestly don't know if it could be that much better than the sponge. I could make a video over comparing those two and seeing like, is it really worth the money, blah blah blah, and like test the foundation throughout the day. That would be a fun video. If you guys would like to see that, go ahead and comment that down below or give this video a big thumbs up. The MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. The next thing that I want to try is like, I cannot actually speak English today, we're just gonna skip right over it. So basically the thing that I want to try is, it was recommended by Mia Stammer. I watch her vlogs, I love her, she's a queen, and she uses this foundation a lot, and I know sometimes she wants to go for a lighter coverage or just like a natural. She always looks very flawless but natural, and so I wanted to try this. It's the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation, but a few vlogs ago, the piercings vlog, if you didn't see that, so I'll do it in the iCard over here. If you didn't see that video, I went into Ulta and I was swatching the Amazonian Clay Foundation, so I found it and I decided that I like the stick better and I want to try that out. So that's the one that I want to try instead of the actual regular foundation. But if you want like full coverage, I put that on the back of my hand and it was like full coverage. Moving on to skincare. First one is the Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Mask. I have really dry skin, which is bringing me to my next product that one of you guys recommended, is the La Mer moisturizer. Actually, let me read the actual comment, that would be nice. The La Mer Moisturizing Soft Cream. A dupe is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Maybe add one or the other on my Christmas list. And then the next thing that is under skincare, the Fresh Sugar Exfoliator. I think, like, again, I have really dry, well, not really dry skin, but like this part next to my nose gets really dry every winter and it just like really starts burning and hurting, and I just feel like it needs to be taken off. So I want to try an exfoliator. If you guys have a better recommendation of an exfoliator, leave that down below. I just saw this one and the packaging looked cute, and I know Fresh has a lot of good stuff, and I want to look fresh. So next thing I have on my list is tech. So obviously since I started YouTube, I've wanted to do a lot more with technology and like bettering my channel and just like having things that would make my channel better. So if you guys don't know, right now the camera that I have is a Nikon D3400, and I use this, it's a DSLR. I use it for vlogging and like professional sit-down types of videos. So one of the things is the Canon G7X. I do not expect to get that at all. That is so expensive, but it's just like something that if you know somebody that's starting out a YouTube channel and you want to splurge on them a little bit, the Canon G7X, you know, that is the camera, and I want to see what all the hype is about, but I'm not exactly ready to spend that kind of money. The next thing is an iPhone 8 Plus. I currently, like, this one is the iPhone 6, and it's not that there's necessarily anything with me like, oh, I need to have a new phone, I need to have the newest, I need to have the best. First of all, I know that it's super expensive, and I don't expect that at all, but the iPhone X is so expensive, so what I would rather do is have an older phone with more storage. So I asked for the iPhone 8 Plus 256 gigabyte. If that's not enough storage, I don't know what is. And then I also want a Casetify case. So I first heard about these from Alex Sintomo. I guess that's how you pronounce her name. So yeah, she did a video reviewing a Casetify case, and they look amazing. They're really pretty and like slim, but they protect your phone like crazy. So I like, if I'm gonna get a good phone, I want a good case because I don't want to break my good phone. The next thing on tech is a Polaroid camera. I like the little Fujifilm ones. They're super cute. I would want like a white or a yellow one. I think probably a white one. And then obviously some like film to go with that. And then another thing that was on my list for tech were these lights, and I ended up getting them for my birthday, and I'm so glad. I love the quality of them, and I forgot to link them down below. Oh my gosh, I always forget to do that. I'm gonna try and link them in this video. Let me make a note to myself.
Setting the timer.
Thanks, babe.
Your timer is set for 4 minutes.
So the last thing on my tech list is an external hard drive, because I've had my laptop for almost a year, less than a year, and it's already full. Like, the storage is already full. It's mostly videos. I delete them. I delete them from iMovie. I delete them for this and that. But it's just hard, especially daily vlogging with Vlogmas. I have to like upload the video and then delete it right away so I can upload the next one. I really think an external hard drive would be good just to save up my memory so that I'm not accidentally deleting files all the time. And then moving on to clothes, there are a couple things that like I just really like, and then there's like places that I like to shop. Gift card ideas for any teenage girl: Target and Forever 21. Those are my like top 2 stores that I would be like, oh, I want a gift card there. Specific clothes that I want, there are only a couple things. One of them is Adeline Morin's Beat Bop sweatshirt in a medium or a large. I'm thinking maybe a large. She launched it whenever she hit 1 million followers on Instagram, and then she sold out of it, and so basically they're trying to get it back by the middle of December, and it's almost the middle of December, and I'm like, where is it? I need that in my life. The last thing that I'm going to be talking about is not clothing, it's like an accessory. So I really want a like nice purse, but I kind of want to get like a Louis Vuitton backpack or like a Calvin Klein backpack, like the little mini ones, just because I think it's a lot easier to hold. I just want something that's going to like hold up for a while, but I definitely do not expect to get one. But I'm thinking that if I get some like money for Christmas or something, I think that's maybe what that would go toward. Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. Comment down below what your biggest gift that you want for Christmas is. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, what your biggest gift for birthday or whatever, comment that down below. I'm really interested to see what you guys like are really wanting. Tomorrow I'm going to try and be a better vlogger. The past few days have been just kind of like these little thrown together vlogs, not really that great, but sometimes that's how it is. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment what your biggest gift request is this season. And guys, how many days are left until Christmas?
It's 13 days until then.
Wow! Okay, 13 days until Christmas. Like, I'm super excited. We're gonna be just having a good old jolly old time tomorrow. Wow, that was disgusting. I'm going to be trying eggnog for the first time, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a future upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for actually, I'll see you guys tomorrow. What am I saying? See you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you. Bye. Wow.